friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change verified phone number in Google My Business listing. For that you need to search My Business or your business name using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your Google My Business listing, right? After then you can click on edit profile, and here you will get an option of like phone number, and here you need to click on PAN, and you can simply type your new phone number that you want to connect with your Google My Business listing, and then you need to click on save. Then automatically your new phone number would get updated on Google My Business listing. Once you change your mobile number or phone number here and click on save, Google will verify that particular phone number belongs to your business or not. Like if you have social media profiles created, whether it is Facebook page, whether it is Instagram account, you need to update your mobile number at every places. Then automatically Google will review that particular phone number belongs to your business, as in your social media profile also that particular phone number has been updated. So after review, Google will automatically start displaying your new phone number to your users. So this is how you can change your verified phone number in Google My Business listing. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.